Alright, so hello guys, welcome back to another video. I know I haven't been posting for a while, and why does this lot load? I'm probably gonna get rushed by the guy. Alright, so as I was saying, I haven't been playing this game for a while. And let me just check my opponent is, okay, yes. So when I came back, I realized there's this thing called a puppet, and I don't really know what it does. So, yeah, I've used it before. What am I saying? So the point is today I'm going to be using it by that's my way of victory. How do you speak again, bro? What does this guy say? You are poor, Pink Sabi. What does that mean? Like, I am poor. I'm going to tell you that. Isn't that like weird and stuff? Bro, what is that? A person? Yeah, he gonna kill me. Kill me. Oh, he's a noob. I thought, oh my god. Thank you, but now you're gonna die. Because, oh, you wanna know why? Okay, I see how it is. No, where do they go? Okay, sure, it's placed there. So I get, oh, that's what it does. So it's in the generator, so it acts like if I'm in the generator, so I just get free gold and stuff. Okay, that's cool. Although I don't really need all this stuff. It's fine, though. I'm gonna just buy more puppet. Oh, wow, I have a lot of... I can just... What's this teleport button? Ooh, I can teleport. That's just insane value. Now that you think about it, it's insane value. Don't you think? So I'm going to be having that report button. No, wait. What did I just say? That button on me all the time. So if I'm like in a combat tower thing, I can just vanish away. And I just fell down. Tell me why I'm a stupid noob. Just tell me. And I'm going to ambush him. And he dead. Bruh, I thought he was way better than this. The guy just accepted defeat and jumped in the void. Wait, no, that's not called accepting your defeat. I don't know. Okay, I tried to do this thing, but I failed. Oh my god, he's coming for me. Run! Okay, let's one shot. Oh, now the button is gone. Okay, that's cool. Wait, no, that's not. Shut up! You did not see that. Shut up! I said shut up. It wasn't me. That wasn't me. That was like someone else. Like, oh yeah, my little sister was playing, and wait, I don't have a little sister. Whatever. All right, I just need. Bro, I'm like sitting in 2 generators. Sorry. Bro, what is this? Okay. Oh no, I found the void. What? I thought, what? How does that work? I don't get, what? But I thought this was supposed to be my only way of winning. I don't know. I just thought it would be cool. Okay, wait, let's try that again. Let me just have this. And then let's have a pup. I just realized I played so much and I wasn't recording it. Bruh, the guy died. Okay. Come on, go. Oh my god, this guy is chasing me. Bruh. Most bruh thing I've ever seen. The most funniest thing I've ever seen. I think. I don't know what's wrong with me, guys. I keep saying I think. He's gonna come for me now. And I'm gonna go for him. Oh, whoa, you're getting better now. I see it. You're getting better at PvP, I see it. Now run, 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 run. Bruh, the guy rage quit. I'm sorry, I'll stop saying bruh. I know I'm annoying. Oh, what's that? You think I'm not annoying? Oh. Stupid. Bruh. What are these two guys doing? Can I team? Oh, okay, I see 3 people teaming. No, wait, they're not teaming. Bruh, leave me alone. Bruh, what is this match? I have no idea and I need help. Are they two fighting or am I just... Because that's not how you fight. Oh, no! You do not come for me, bro. What was that? Leave me alone. See, I told you. Please leave me alone. Oh my god, that was scary actually. Ah! Help! Oh, I died. Oh, I thought I had... Oh, okay. That's stupid of me. I thought I had one more. Okay. But that was cool. Why am I so boring? I have no idea. Just gotta check. Okay, now I need to do... Alright, I just bought puppets. I'm gonna abuse the heck out of puppets. Like, I don't know what I'm doing. Help me, guys. Sorry. That's just my... I don't have any excuses anymore. I don't know. That's just plays up to 1. Oh! So now this game's gonna tell you what to do. I see how it is. I see you think you're superior than me. Okay. Stupid. Oh, no. Why are these two stupid people teaming? Bruh. You can't even. They missed. 3. Not 1. Not 2. But 3. They're gonna jump on me. I'm calling it. They're gonna jump on me. Bruh. That was so... No. Stay away from me. Yep, I did. There is no winning for me, bruh. These guys teaming. How did I kill that guy? Oh no, he's gonna come for me. Okay, good game. Bye. See you guys in the next video.